Well, new tonight, we have a better idea about the scope of the proposed staffing cuts to Montgomery County Public Schools. Superintendent Dr. Thomas Taylor said layoffs are inevitable after the county approved a smaller operating budget than he requested for the school district. Our Randy Hildreth was at tonight's emotional school board meeting where Dr. Taylor outlined his plans.
Every seat was filled at Thursday's meeting. People crowded along the sides of the room and the back wall. Superintendent Dr. Thomas Taylor said that he was not thrilled with the options on the table.
The reality is starting to set in for some Montgomery County Public School employees. They could soon be out of work.
I don't know. I think I'm at the point where I'm just at a loss for words.
That makes me really sad. I'm going to lose my health insurance. I'm single. I don't have anyone to rely on. I potentially could lose my housing. Like the financial things run through my mind.
At Thursday's board meeting, Superintendent Dr. Thomas Taylor shared his proposal for how the school district could navigate operations on a tighter budget for the upcoming school year. The county allocated about $36 million less than what they requested for expenditure operations.
And the reality is that a lot of this work isn't going to get done, and there is going to be a service interruption.
Dr. Taylor is proposing cutting 28 positions from central services, like executive staff, 113 support service positions, like social workers and some staff who work with English language learners, and 293 assistants and college career navigators, although he notes over 100 of those positions are already vacant. Most of these employees were warned last week their job was in jeopardy, but school psychologists say they found out hours before the meeting.
We're currently one psychologist to about 1,500 students, so when we're cutting 20 psychologists, that number becomes astronomical.
Many are concerned about potentially finding new jobs.
We can only be employed as school psychologists in schools in the state of Maryland without doing additional licensure.
They also can't stop thinking about the impact this will have on the students they serve.
There was a question asked at the board, who will do this work? There is no answer for that.
But it's not just job cuts. Dr. Taylor says they also have projects for the next school year. The board still has to vote on these recommendations. They're set to do that at their June 4th meeting. Reporting in Montgomery County, Randy Hildreth, WUSA 9.